This is the locking spray. It's just basically a brake so that when the skid steer is turned off, it can't, if it's, when you put the safety park on it, can't drift around. So this is just a metal plate that goes on the end of the hydraulic motor, and it just turns, there's the chain and the drive chain to the wheels and stuff. But this plate has some magnetic lines in it that cause the iron dust in the oil to align along these paths, and it's the same shape as like this cutout here. You can see it's replicated over here. It's like there's more all around, and then you can also see shadows of this profile right here. So it looks like they had them stacked in some heat treating or something, and it formed a magnetized path. And see, I can wipe it off, but after a while it reforms when the oil goes back on there and the iron dust coalesces. Never seen anything like that. A magnetic fingerprint left from the factory.